Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I would like to be doing a slime gum challenge. So first you're going to add your gum in here. You want to break it into pieces before you put it in here. Then you want to add water to it. Added water. Now you're gonna mush it together. As you can see, it's forming little by little. And yeah, this is edible, so feels like cloud slime. It might be a little hard to stretch a little bit, so you want to add more water. And then just keep adding water till you feel like that texture is good. Bye guys, thank you for watching my video. Make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. Bye.